biggest problem areas where the sanitation team tends to spend the most time and effort cleaning are harborage points. With the inner cage and drum style, we tend to see retention points for pathogenic contamination on and in the drum itself. It's tough to clean and nearly impossible to remove all bacterial contamination completely, especially on the inside of the drum. Many chain-based systems have extensive side frames, which also create catch points or rely on additional hardware that's difficult to clean. Designs that have more of these areas where bacteria can build up make it harder to maintain a sanitary production line. For all designs that use side frames, the sanitation process will take hours to clean all the equipment properly. A side-driven spiral conveyor dramatically reduces the number of harborage points present in the system. It eliminates the need for a drum. It doesn't depend on any extra framework, giving you an open, accessible design. This eliminates the toughest portion of the cleaning process and enables you to comply with the stringent hygiene standards required in the food industry.